Now in this problem, a product is sold from Kanpur to Banaras. So same state you notice for 12,000, and then from Banaras to Ranchi, Jharkhand at a profit of 4,000. The rate of GST is 18%. Find the net GST payable at Banaras. Here is the two cases. First, when the product is sold from Kanpur to Banaras. This is an intra-state, within the state. Okay, that is the for the dealer in Kanpur. So for the dealer in Kanpur, so he sold to one more person in the Banaras. So within the same state. So because of intra-state, within the same state, there is no integrated GST, only CGST and SGST. So at this place, selling price is equals to rupees 12,000 you take. Now on this selling price only we need to find out central tax and state tax, right? To find out the input first. So central GST at the same time state GST. Okay, both you have to calculate. So total GST is 18%. So in that half of that. So half of that is 9%. So 9% of on this 12,000 you calculate. So 9 by 100 into same 12,000, cancel this, 120 into 9, so 1080. 1080, same, this also same, 9% of 12,000 exactly equals to rupees 1080. There's no change. So central tax, central GST and state GST is exactly half of that. Okay, this is the intrastate first case. Now for the dealer in Banaras, so Kanpur dealer sold to Banaras, again Banaras is sold to next person Jharkhand. So this is the interstate UP and next is the Jharkhand is other state, right? So two different states. So this is a interstate transaction. So interstate transaction. So in this case input tax credit is this both up to previous input tax is equals to 1080 plus 1080 together is 2160. Now next this person with the profit of 4,000. So with 4,000 profit. So in this dealer at Banaras, cost price. So cost price is 12,000 plus profit is 4,000. Because his cost price, because he sold along with the 12,000 with the 4,000 profit. So 12,000 plus 4,000 is 16,000. Now because of this is the second case is interstate. So this is interstate. Because of interstate we don't have integrated state central tax and state tax. This is intrastate. Within the same state only you have to go for central and state. One state to other state only integrated GST. So remember that. So one state to other state only integrated GST, IGST. Directly how much is mentioned? 18%. No, 18% of this 16,000 you should calculate. 18% of 16,000 is same, 18 by 100 into 16,000. 100, 160 into 18, 2,880. So input tax credit is 2,160. Now this output is 2,880. So net GST payable at Banaras from this both. So this is let be 1 and this 2 if you remember, two cases. Therefore net GST payable at Banaras. Output GST minus input tax credit. So input tax credit is this. Finally is 2,880. So we'll get tax liability in this case. 2,880 minus 2,160. So that is rupees 720. So net GST payable at Banaras, tax on profit. There is nothing but profit is 4,000, right? 18% of 4,000 is obviously 720 only. So there is also credit. So from the input, we have to find out an output. Both the difference is net GST payable at this place. Okay. And let us see another type of questions.